girly. Tamami, thank you for the rose, my love. I think, I don't know. Honestly, I wear whatever the fuck I want.
Pag boy, gold ka. Dress or gold.
Actually, parang pag boy, puro ako gold. Pag dragach, puro silverch. Hi. Welcome to my live. Samani, thank you so much for the rose, my love. Taga Bacolod eh. Hands up, taga Bacolod. Taga Bacolod. Is anyone from Bacolod? Tapos na rehearsal. Oo, kakapoy. Tama na ni daw. Tip ka mo, boss, ka doon nagsakit ang mga lawas namon. Carry lang. Watching from Iloilo. I miss Iloilo, honestly. What the heck is this? Is this lip gloss?
Bawal sa pangalan.
Ni apakapogi mo. Salamat. Taga Bacolod ako. Eddie, see you bukas sa ano? Lunar. Ano? Sister mo ba si Ver? Tangina. Si Acid yan. Magka-bosses sila ni Versex.
Nagkasaya.
Ano?
Ego.
Carry lang. For the protein. Ay, si Bahal King ang mga babae din. Hello. May ubrawan pa kami ng mga outfit. Carry lang. Kakapoy. Hindi ako mag-full prod, ha? Last na ni. Cheers. Balitaan mo to ang iPhone 16 Pro Max, girl. Excuse me. Cheers. Hala, ito ba si Ew! Can we move on from season 3? Lunar tomorrow discussion. Oo, bukas tayo doon. See you. 11-11 may kakasabi mo lang wala na. 11-12 na talaga. Kadto di sa Iloilo. Sige, gaya ko ano yan, oh. Give me budget. Mama guest ka sa Bekenemen podcast, please. We'll see. Kasi tinatamad ako. Pero, nag-film kami ng Evangelism last week. So, sa mga nagtatanong.
Oo, namin tao sa lugar tonight.
Oo talaga. Where are you? I'm in Bacolod right now. We have a show tomorrow. Oh, shit! Where the fuck did she get those?
Gawa ni...
Ay, yung hair is Margot. My God, sister.
The spiky outfit and it's burn.
Bitch, Margot, when yung collab? Tagal. Tagdiin ka sa Bacolod, why?
Ay, drug account.
Home is where my fling is. Jeez. Hi, Siam. Sawadi, girls. Hi, Siam. Mabu H. You're so fresh. Dugyot na nga eh. Napagod ako sa rehearsal. Nakapoy ko sa rehearsal. Carry lang. Wala kami ka vacation. Wala kami ka... Okay, let's not talk about that. Wala kami ka... Do whatever the fuck we want. Cause... Rehearsals. Your runway installation was so good. Ako si ano... Sino pa sabi mo yun? Ako si Brigading. What do you think? New episode. I didn't watch, but I did watch the runways lang. Kasi busy pa ako. Wait long daw. Hi, Mother Yudi from Batangas. Hello from Bacolod. Ivory Suki Dal Kajad. What are you main? Kavay mo si Suki. I haven't watched, so I don't know the full tea. Maraming salamat. Buwas imo show sa Lunar. Oo. See you there. 12 a.m. 12 or 11? 11 ata. Pero it's gonna start 12 for sure. 11 to 12. Go. Mas safe if pupunta kayo 11. Shh. Go, go, go. Tips for drag. Have budget.
Yung taste.
Be tasteful. Pero di mo yan malalearn yung taste eh. So, good luck. And dapat hindi fakak. Temo ka daw tatay, sabi ni Tiny.
Eh?
Oo, basta siya yung mommy. Cheers. Tiny Deluxe. Makapagbibigyan ka ng pagkakataon sumali sa Drag Race Philippines. Sasali ka pa ulit. Pagbigyan niyo ako ng 1 million, check ko lang. Wish talaga mag-join ulit. Tsaka, wait lang daw. Sobrang early. Too early, too early.
Spicy.
Spiciness. Cut the tapes. Cut the tapes.
Spicy.
Realness.
Real sili.
Okay lang na stop the race. Charis. Would you rather do international? Yes, international kasi mas malaki ang budget. Mas malaki ang
Ano daw?
PF. Mas malaki ang everything. Unlike dito sa Pilipinas, ano, we're gonna eat what?
Stones.
Stones. Sulit meal. Wes. Kamukha mo po yung boyfriend ko. Gia, how... Asan yung boyfriend mo? Sabihin mo mag-message siya sa akin. Cheers. Kamigin. Asan yung Kamigin? I feel like I've been there. Thoughts po kay JD. Alinga nga na siya. Cheers.
Punta sila, JD.
Balion niya, naliog niya for 1.5. Grabe ba? Oy, blindness. What if Dragula? What if? Pagod na kiss, pagod na kiss. Soon the Dragula. Go, go, go. Do you still play online games? Right now, wala. Is ML online? Oh, online game yung ML. So, ayun, ML na lang. That's about it. That's all I get. May bagong fit ka. Dapat, pero ano, yung designer di nagre-reply. Buti nagdala ko ng extra look. If not, so medyo uulit ako ng outfit because of her. Salamat ha. Nagbayad na ako and everything. Tang ina. Mga curious lang, do you search on Pinterest to find inspo? Yes. Of course. Namimiss na kita sa TV screen, bias kita. Ay, ito yung gagawin mo. Ipa-play mo yung TikTok sa TV nyo. Tapos, click mo yung live ng isang Udipota. Effect lang, effect lang.
A thinking queen.
A thinking queen. Sobrang bait, auto-pansin kahit walang tip. What do you mean? Thoughts on J Queen? Okay naman siya, we're friends. Niyaya ako ng babae mag-night out. Bakit daw si Mix and Tita Baby lang lagi? Sorry, sila nagre-reply ha. Will you join Slation Royale? Ayoko niyan. Barang ka, te, barang ka. Ano yan? Yung freckles ko. 3D printed. What if ma-invite ka sa Drag Race, sasali ka ulit? It's too early, pero kailangan ko pa ng more, you know. What if Ru gives you a call? She doesn't.
She won't.
She won't.
She
It's
won't.
her team who's gonna call the dolls. But I'm so happy that I've been chosen by one of her team and her.
This RuPaul shows.
Oo, half sa kanila.
Paano ka?
Half of the cast pinili daw nila ano, ni RuPaul and the
Sino na sa'yo?
Wow presents. Of course, ako pinili ni RuPaul. Bitch. Parang 6 kami pinili ni RuPaul and half is the Philippines pumili.
Sino?
I forgot.
It's probably Mix. I know, most
I don't
probably Maxi.
I forgot. Of course, si Maxi, parang given na yan.
First on the list.
First on the list na mananalo is... Yung di ba global ka? Oo, I will take global, honestly. Kahit first out. Kasi yung budget doon, sobrang sarap. Nakausap ko si Eva about it. Uy, grabe ba? Oich. Yum, yum, yum.
Or triple out Mugler. Atake.
Oo, bibilin ko lahat ng Mugler na ano, gusto ko. Oh, this is archive. You can get this from the store.
Naubos. Isang look pa yung nakuha kasi
Tatay-ira.
yung budget.
Eh, dalawa lang naman na episode makukuha ko dun sa Global, bitch. Alam mo naman, you're gonna make a white girl win. Thoughts on Slation. Pasabog yung mga baklatch. But I hope Season 3 pa rin yung pinakapasabog na rating. Are we still on top of the
I
list?
feel like
Yee! Fuck you guys. Global pa lang paldo na followers mo agad for sure. I hope so. Sarap.
sobrang savor tingnan.
Asa na yung ano? We ordered ano? Kimchi gang. Spicy hey.
Yes, yes.
May singaw ang babae. So if you're gonna kiss me tomorrow, wag daw.
Nabubusog na sa tubig.
Deserve ba si Kitty umuwi?
Honestly, no.
Chika ng mga tao, Wes. I haven't watched, but I want more international queens muna. Kasi kilala ko na yung ibang babae, bitch. So, Season 3, iconic. I know. Mom's thoughts on Suki. She's so cunt, honestly. I wanna see
The
more.
taste levels.
The taste is there. Sa season, kawawa yung first out. Ang ina.
Honestly.
All that gastos for what?
I forgot what her name was.
Yung
Honestly.
taga-Vietnam. All I knew was she was from Vietnam.
Forgot.
Kawawa.
Madam Yoko.
Ay, oo. Pasabog siya. I haven't watched. Did you post your unseen looks on season 3?
Yes.
Most of it. Di pa pwede ko sabihin.
Lahat na post mo.
Oo, most of my looks na post ko. But you know what I didn't post? Yung mga couture ko for boy sa workroom. I had custom looks. Every fucking thing, bitch. Anong magti-t-shirt? Ako tank top. Hindi ako magti-t-shirt and tank top sa Drag Race, bitch. I'm gonna give you something. Fashion pa rin sa workroom. Nakalimutan ko na bakit Kapo nag-walk out. Ganito kasi, yung gravity sa sa popcorn, sobrang bigat.
Sobrang funny.
Sobrang comedy queen. Buntis ba si Kiana at...
Buntis?
You did not, Jay. You did not. Buntis sa chika niya. Buntis ba si Kiana at may picos, ang itim ng kilikili at tumaba siya.
That's something doctor.
She's rich, so she's probably eating good. And yung kilikili niya is a tattoo. So like, y'all haven't been watching Untucked, huh?
You're only getting half the story. Oh my god, that's spicy.
You have plans to join RuPaul's ulit. We'll see. Oo, tats yun. Wala ka pa bang tawag sa ibang franchise me? Sa Dragula sana, no? Hindi ko naman to dream yung Drag Race. Sa totoong buhay lang, trinay ko lang. Just to prove na ako yung best.
Sa Bacolod.
Sa Bacolod.
Tapos nung sa mga lumaps, nabubusog na.
Bakit walang electric punch?
I don't know.
Are you more on fashion or visual? Both.
Both.
Fashion and visual over anything. I would rather die looking cunt than look ugly and have talent. Ginawang stepping stone on Drag Race. Honestly.
Is it not the point?
Honestly, like,
What's the point?
kasi it's so important for the girls. Ina-ask kami, what are you gonna do after Drag Race? Like, eme ka lang drag queen. Wiz, dapat may other dreams ka. Hindi parang drag race ka lang dyan.
Real.
Clown ka lang
World
forever.
domination.
Salit atake mo. Clown forever. Can I say you are the trade of season 3? Subong kita kay Maxi, ah.
Halika na.
Gidi. When kayo ulit magpampanga tours, sabihin mong Vanta. Parang check sa Vanta. Modeling era na ang inay. Real. Inaantay ko pa yung... Ayan. Inaantay ko pa yung isang brand. May dalawa pa akong content na gagawin. Grabe ba, oich?
Feels like oxygen.
Atake. Ito yung next production natin.
Oxygen.
When did you start drag? Nung Halloween.
2017.
16 ata.
16.
16? 2016 Halloween. Wala lang. Bored. Walang magawa. Walang maisip na gawin. Tapos ang dragage. Kasi my friends are always like, what if mag-dragage? Actually, napilitan lang ako mag-drag.
Sila
honestly.
May ba to? Sila May?
Sila wala. Yung kasama ko sa Vietnam.
Gets.
Tapos yung friend ko sa yung friend ko na from New Jersey. Kanina ka pa naka-live. Wiz, nag-stop ako kanina kasi low bat. Carry lang. Busy ka diri Iloilo. Cause hanggang Sunday lang kami and people have work. And I have work. What was your first impression kay Kiana? Oh, she clocked my outfit. She was so shady on that fucking table. She was like, oh, you're wearing this and that.
Saan?